Hello everybody to the Bitcoin technical analysis. I'm Abhizi, and let's look at the Bitcoin price action. One important thing that this is not a financial advice to buy or sell Bitcoin. I'm just a Bitcoin enthusiast, and I just like to speculate the Bitcoin price action. Alright, so here we go. So currently Bitcoin is at the 11,800 level, and it has crossed the 11,500. All right, so it's going towards the upward direction, but at the weekly time frame, the MACD shows us that the buying is the buying pressure is reducing and the selling pressure is increasing here. Look at this darker bars here, too darker bars, and we are already in the higher regions of the RSI, also in the higher region in the stochastic RSI. So at the weekly time frame, it is the RSI and the stochastic RSI are showing us that the Bitcoin price action may come a little bit downwards, but that's not for sure. I don't think that it's gonna come down at this level. All right, and let's look at the time frame. So at the daily time frame, the picture is a little bit different. All right, the stochastic RSI is in the lower region, which means that the downward momentum for the Bitcoin has been over, and we have a lot of room to move upwards. That means the upward momentum is in the power here. All right. Also in the RSI is sticking towards the upward direction. All right, and in the MACD, here we can see that the buying pressure is increasing. All right, the selling pressure is decreasing and buying is increasing here. The same time, we can see in the price action, we can see the three green bars here. All right, so this can happen. The same thing which happened over here, the same thing can happen from here, and the price action that we see here. All right, so if this happens, so let me show you. If the same bull run takes place at this level, so this might take us to the level of around 17,000, guys. So it's looking me pretty bullish. All right, so let's go to the much lower time frame and let's look at the much more clear picture. Right now we are at the 4-hour time frame. So 2 days back I made a video, and in that I just explained that I'm gonna long my BTC position after the 11,500 or 600 level. All right, so I just waited a little long, and right now I'm in the long position at around 11,800 level. Around 11,800. It just doesn't matter that the stochastic RSI is in the upper region, because I tell you guys, look at this. All right, though the stochastic RSI was in the upper regions, the Bitcoin price action was still moving upwards. The same follows for the RSI. Even though the RSI was already in the upper regions, the Bitcoin price action was still moving upwards. I just took the decision depending upon the MACD here. The MACD just came right down here. After that, it's just going upward. Buying and selling is happening continuously in the market, but right now the buying pressure is increasing. It means that we might see some kind of bullish price action right now here in the market. So that's why I have put my long position here, and I'm gonna wait for it to pop up, and it will be the confirmation. And I have put a stop loss at around 11,000. All right, so that's a huge margin, guys. Here I have put here, and I keep my target at about 14,000. So let's see how it plays out. So this was the let's just look at 1 hourly time frame. At the 1 hourly time frame, I was keeping a track of this trend line here, which was made by Bitcoin, the first touch point and the second touch point here, and I was waiting for it to break up above this line, and the resistance line has been broken, and I'm in the long position from here. All right, and I have put my stop loss at around 11,000. Okay, so let's calculate how much it's gonna be by keeping a long position here. Let me show you. Long at around 11,800. All right, approximately. I'm gonna show you guys approximate. All right, and the stop loss at around 11,000 and profit at around 14,000. Around 14,000. All right, and I'm leveraging this at the 5x. All right, the risk to reward ratio is mine for 2.4 and multiply it by 5, so this would be my gain if I win. All right, so I'll be getting some around 10 times what I'm investing according to this risk to reward ratio. All right, and if this price comes down, I will be damn doomed, but I have to protect my capital, so I'll be updating my stop losses and I'll be keeping you updated according to that. So see you guys for later. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.